Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Mac supports Boot Camp and that you have a Windows ISO ready. Insert a USB drive if required, then open Boot Camp Assistant and choose the ISO and partition size. This starts disk partitioning and installer media creation. Once done, make sure your Mac is connected to power and that Time Machine or another backup completed. This reduces risk. The assistant will rewrite the drive table and prepare the Windows installer so you can move to the actual installation step. After Boot Camp finishes preparing the media, your Mac reboots into the Windows installer. Select the Boot Camp partition labeled Boot Camp and choose Format if prompted. Follow prompts for language, keyboard, and license. Windows will copy files and restart several times. Once the core install finishes, the Mac boots into Windows Setup where you create a user and complete settings. Then run the Boot Camp installer from the USB or mounted drivers so hardware, Wi-Fi, and Apple drivers install correctly for smooth operation. Finish by installing Apple's Boot Camp drivers and running Windows Update. This resolves keyboard, trackpad, graphics, and network issues. Once done, open the Boot Camp control panel to choose your default startup disk and tweak keyboard mappings. If something goes wrong, like a driver error or failed partition, shut down, boot Mac OS, and restore your backup or recreate the Boot Camp partition. Often reformatting the Boot Camp partition and rerunning the installer fixes the problem. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. Backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.